Meet Lisa, a retired teacher living in sunny Florida. She spent her life nurturing young minds and now looks forward to peaceful days with her family. Lisa believes she's done everything right. She has a will, and she's confident her children will be protected when she's gone. But what if the paperwork she trusts is more of a paper shield than real protection? Today, we'll walk through Lisa's journey, uncovering why even the best intentions can fall short without proper estate planning. This is an educational story, not legal advice, but it may help you spot your own legal blind spots. Estate planning is more than just writing a will. It's a thoughtful process that includes several legal tools designed to protect your loved ones and your wishes. Think of it as building a safety net. A will, a trust, powers of attorney, and healthcare directives all work together to form a complete plan. Each piece has a role like instruments in an orchestra. They create harmony when used together. Lisa thought her will was enough, but she missed the importance of the other documents. Let's break down what each part does and why they matter. Lisa's will was her shield, but like paper in a storm, it wasn't enough. A will only covers certain assets and doesn't always prevent court involvement. If it's outdated or incomplete, it can leave gaps, legal blind spots that courts must fill. Lisa's will named her children as heirs, but she hadn't updated it since her youngest graduated college. Life changed, but her paperwork didn't. This is a common mistake, and it's where trouble often begins. A trust acts like a vault, holding your assets securely and passing them directly to your loved ones without court delays. Lisa didn't set up a trust, believing her will was enough. But when she passed, her estate had to go through probate, a public, often lengthy process. Trusts can help families avoid this, keeping matters private and efficient. They're especially useful for real estate, blended families, or special needs situations. Lisa's story shows why a trust can be a powerful addition to your plan. Imagine if Lisa became unable to manage her finances or make medical decisions. Without a power of attorney, her family would have to go to court just to pay her bills or make healthcare choices. This document appoints someone you trust to act on your behalf if you can't. It's a simple step, but missing it can create chaos and stress for your loved ones. Lisa's family faced this challenge, learning the hard way that a will alone doesn't cover every scenario. Healthcare directives, sometimes called living wills, let you express your medical wishes in advance. Lisa never completed one, assuming her family would know what to do. But in a crisis, emotions run high and decisions can be overwhelming. A healthcare directive gives your loved ones clarity and peace of mind, ensuring your voice is heard even if you can't speak. It's a gift of guidance, not just paperwork. Lisa's story reveals a common legal blind spot. Believing a will is a complete plan. She didn't realize that missing documents and outdated information could unravel her intentions. Her family faced unexpected hurdles, court filings, legal fees, and emotional strain. This blind spot is easy to miss, but the consequences can be profound. Estate planning is about seeing the whole picture, not just one piece. When Lisa passed, her estate entered probate, a court process that can take months or even years. Probate is like a traffic jam for your legacy, slowing everything down and adding costs. Her children waited for access to funds, faced paperwork mountains, and struggled with uncertainty. Probate is public too, meaning family matters become part of the record. With better planning, much of this could have been avoided. Estate planning isn't just about money, it's about the emotional inheritance you leave behind. Lisa's children expected comfort and clarity, but instead faced confusion and conflict. The stress of legal battles can strain even the closest families. A well-crafted plan is a final act of love, sparing your loved ones from unnecessary pain. Think of it as passing on peace, not just possessions. The financial fallout from poor planning can be severe. Lisa's family faced court fees, attorney costs, and delays in accessing funds. Sometimes assets even lose value during probate. These costs eat away at the legacy you meant to leave. Proper estate planning helps ensure your hard-earned savings go to your loved ones, not to legal bills or government fees. One of the most common mistakes is letting documents become outdated. Lisa's will hadn't been updated in years. Life changes, marriages, divorces, new grandchildren can all affect your plan. If your paperwork doesn't reflect your current wishes, the law may decide for you. Regular reviews keep your plan strong and relevant. Sometimes, people forget to name or update beneficiaries on accounts like life insurance or retirement plans. Lisa assumed her will covered everything, but certain assets pass directly to named beneficiaries, not through the will. If names are missing or outdated, assets can end up in probate or go to the wrong person. Double-checking these details is crucial. What if your primary beneficiary can't inherit? Lisa didn't name backups, so when circumstances changed, the court had to decide. Contingency plans like alternate beneficiaries ensure your wishes are followed, even if life throws a curveball. It's a simple step that can prevent major headaches for your family. Lisa used a generic will template she found online, thinking it was enough. But laws vary by state, and one-size-fits-all documents can miss important details. DIY planning may save money up front, but it can cost much more in the end. Professional guidance helps ensure your plan is legally sound and tailored to your needs. In today's world, digital assets matter too: online accounts, photos, even cryptocurrencies. Lisa never included instructions for her digital life. Without guidance, families can lose access or face legal hurdles. Including digital assets in your plan ensures nothing important is left behind. Estate taxes can take a bite out of your legacy if not planned for. Lisa assumed her estate was too small to worry, but even modest estates can face tax issues. Planning ahead with the right tools can minimize taxes and maximize what your family receives. Don't let taxes become an unexpected burden. Lisa never talked to her children about her wishes. When the time came, confusion and disagreements followed. Open communication is a key part of estate planning. Sharing your intentions helps prevent misunderstandings and ensures your family is prepared. It's not just about documents, it's about connection. Lisa's will was her paper shield, visible but fragile. True protection comes from a complete plan, not just a single document. Like armor made of paper, a will alone can't withstand every challenge. Building a strong estate plan means layering your defenses, so your family is truly protected when it matters most. Your legacy isn't just financial, it's emotional. Lisa's children inherited confusion and stress, not just assets. Estate planning is a way to pass on peace, clarity, and love. Think of it as an emotional inheritance, shaping how your family remembers you and how they move forward together. A legal blind spot is something you don't see coming, like Lisa's outdated will. It's easy to overlook details or assume everything is covered, but these blind spots can have real consequences. Regular reviews and professional advice help you spot and fix them before they cause harm. After Lisa's passing, her children faced a maze of paperwork and legal hurdles. What should have been a time of remembrance became a time of stress. The probate process dragged on, and family relationships were tested. This aftermath is all too common when estate planning falls short. It's a reminder that your plan affects more than just finances, it shapes your family's future. Probate can take months or even years, depending on the complexity of the estate and local court schedules. Lisa's children waited anxiously for access to funds, unable to settle bills or move forward. These delays add frustration and can even lead to financial hardship. Planning ahead with trusts and updated documents can help families avoid these painful waits. Legal fees can quickly add up during probate. Lisa's family had to hire attorneys to navigate the process, reducing the inheritance they received. These costs are often overlooked, but they can be significant. A well-prepared estate plan minimizes legal involvement, keeping more of your legacy in your family's hands. Without clear instructions, families can fall into conflict. Lisa's children disagreed about her wishes, leading to arguments and lasting hurt. Estate planning is about more than dividing assets. It's about preserving relationships. A clear, updated plan helps families stay united during difficult times. Probate is a public process, meaning anyone can access details about your estate. Lisa's family was surprised to find their private matters became public record. Trusts and other planning tools help keep your affairs private, protecting your family's dignity and security. During probate, assets can lose value, homes may sit unsold, investments may fluctuate, and bills can pile up. Lisa's estate shrank as time passed, leaving less for her children. Planning ahead helps preserve value and ensures your family receives the full benefit of your hard work. Blended families face unique challenges. Lisa's friend remarried but never updated her plan. Stepchildren and new spouses can be left out or cause disputes if documents aren't clear. Estate planning for blended families requires extra care to ensure everyone is treated fairly and your wishes are honoured. Families with special needs children must plan carefully. Lisa's neighbour set up a special needs trust to protect benefits and provide lifelong support. Without this, an inheritance could jeopardise government assistance. Specialised planning ensures vulnerable loved ones are cared for, no matter what. Real estate often complicates estate planning. Lisa owned a home in Florida, but her will didn't address out-of-state property. Different states have different rules, and probate can get even more complex. Planning for real estate with trusts or joint ownership can simplify the process and avoid surprises. Business owners need special planning. Lisa's brother ran a small business, but never created a succession plan. When he passed, the business struggled and employees worried. Estate planning for business owners includes buy-sell agreements and clear instructions, ensuring the business survives and employees are protected. If you have minor children, naming guardians is essential. Lisa's friend didn't, and the court had to decide who would care for her kids. A will should always include guardianship instructions to ensure your children are raised by someone you trust. Many people want to leave a legacy through charitable giving. Lisa supported local education, but her will didn't specify how to donate. Including charities in your estate plan ensures your values live on and your gifts reach the right causes. Estate planning isn't a one-time task. Lisa's story shows the importance of regular reviews. Laws change, families grow, and your wishes may evolve. Set a reminder to review your plan every few years or after major life events. Keeping your plan current is the best way to protect your legacy. Working with professionals, attorneys, financial advisors, and tax experts can make all the difference. Lisa's DIY approach left gaps, but expert advice could have closed them. Professionals help you navigate complex laws and tailor your plan to your unique needs. It's an investment in your family's future. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Everyone's situation is unique and laws vary by state. If you have questions about your own estate plan, consult a qualified professional. Our goal is to provide clarity, not replace expert guidance. Lisa's story is a powerful reminder. Good intentions aren't enough. Protecting your legacy means more than signing a will. It means building a complete, up-to-date plan. Take the time to review your documents, seek professional advice, and communicate with your loved ones. Your family's future depends on the steps you take today. If you haven't talked to your family about your wishes, now is the time. Open, honest conversations can prevent confusion and conflict later. Share your intentions, explain your plan, and encourage loved ones to ask questions. Estate planning is a family affair. Everyone benefits from clarity. Set aside time to review your estate planning documents. Check for outdated information, missing signatures, or unclear instructions. Update beneficiary forms and make sure your wishes are reflected everywhere they need to be. Small changes now can make a big difference later. Don't go it alone. Reach out to an estate planning attorney or financial advisor who understands your state's laws. Professional guidance can help you avoid costly mistakes and ensure your plan is legally sound. It's a step that brings peace of mind to you and your family. Life changes, so should your estate plan. After major events like marriage, divorce, or the birth of a child, review and update your documents. Keeping your plan current ensures your wishes are always honored and your family is protected. Make it easy for your family to find important documents. Store your will, trust, powers of attorney, and other records in a safe, accessible place. Let someone you trust know where to find them. Organization is a final act of care for your loved ones. Don't forget your digital life. Make a list of online accounts, passwords, and digital assets. Include instructions in your estate plan so your family can access what matters. Digital planning is a modern necessity. If you have unique circumstances like a family business, special needs child, or out-of-state property, address them in your plan. Specialized tools and instructions ensure your wishes are followed and your loved ones are protected, no matter what life brings. Lisa's story is a cautionary tale. A will alone is not enough to protect your family or your legacy. Estate planning is about building a complete, flexible, and up-to-date plan. Take action now to avoid the pitfalls Lisa's family faced. Your loved ones deserve clarity, security, and peace of mind. If you care about your legacy, don't let paperwork fail your family. Take the steps to build a strong estate plan, review it regularly, and seek professional advice. For more clarity on important life topics, subscribe to our channel. Your family's future is worth it.